In this video, we'll show you how to set up and connect the transformer to the PDLC smart film. First, prepare the smart film. Our smart film comes with 2 red wires and 2 black wires. Use only one pair, one red and one black, while the remaining wires are for backup. Inside the package, you'll also find a longer red and black cable. First, connect this longer cable to the smart film, making sure the colors are matched correctly. Use electric tape to wrap the connected areas so the cables are covered. Repeat the same process for the other cable. Now let's connect and set up the transformer. It controls the smart film and ensures it operates properly. Inside the transformer package, you will find all the necessary components, including a remote control, connector cable, power cable, and the transformer. Now let's set up the transformer so the smart film can operate properly. First, plug the power cable into the transformer's input port. Next, prepare the connector cable. Then, connect the connector cable to the connector port. Then, peel the wires from the installed smart film and connect them to the connector cable. Use electric tape to wrap the connected areas so the cables are covered. Once everything is connected, plug the power cable into a power outlet. The smart film is now ready to use, and here's the result. The transformer is the key component that powers and controls the smart film, enabling it to switch between clear and opaque. Easily control it from a distance, giving you privacy whenever you need it. It blocks over 98% of UV rays and reduces heat, helping keep your space cooler and more comfortable.